Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you this camper van from Innova Road Trip. It says there, Revolution, dieser Camper is smart. This camper is intelligent. And so I'm going to take you inside. The Revolution system is it's a system which links all the electronics in the motorhome. I'll do a separate video on it. In fact, I think I do already have one. I've got a demonstration video of it from Revolution, from their office in Dusseldorf, from near Dusseldorf, Mulheim. Anyway, that apart, what we've got here in this vehicle is this bed here, two sleeping places. We've got the table in the middle. We've got this storage all the way around. Very unusual. Nothing here, but the point of that is just sit there. So to give more space for sitting. Under this we will find the fridge. Alright, it was empty. I don't suppose I'll be coming back here then. And 3 burners. We've got the sink here. Oops. There we go. And there you go. The sink also has a dual use. That's for the table. And coming around here, we will find the toilet. I think it's a domestic toilet in there. This and the shower. Now, the shower is quite large, considering this is a 6-meter Mercedes Sprinter. There's a mirror there as well. Right, here we have the 2 seats, obviously, as you expect. There's space for the table, and guess what the table is? It's this. That fits on there. Very clever, eh? Also, what we will find, storage in there, and below, more storage here. Note the very unusual flooring in here, which I saw them actually making it in the Netherlands when I was there in 2019. I'll come out now and walk around backwards. So Mercedes 319 CDI, that is your garage. So what we've got here, we've got the electronics over here on the left. We've got the gas over here on the right. And we've got something down here as well. Can't remember what it is. Oops. Oh, it's just a cubby hole. Note also got these rails in here, which could prove to be useful. So, gives you a very quick overview of the vehicle. If you want to know more about it, I'll give a link I did earlier. Okay, so that's a yacht, an overland yacht. Is that a good enough translation for you? Under 6 meter with a long bed, a lengthwise bed. Yeah, there's a good translation of it. So, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest site on the internet for motorhomes and campervans. If you're interested in that sort of thing, you might want to subscribe. But for the moment, from me in Dusseldorf, thanks for watching and bye for now.